Okay, you're going to need your Foundation Unit 4 workbook, and we are going to turn to the section called Multiply Mixed Numbers. I'll do the first one, we'll do the second one together, you'll try the third one on your own. Okay, when we are working with mixed numbers, just like when we were adding and subtracting them, we're going to turn them into top-heavy fractions to start off with. So 1 1/3 becomes 4 thirds, 2 fifths doesn't change, and then I multiply just like I did in the previous section, and I get 8 over 15. So the next one, we'll do it together. I've got 1/3, we're going to turn 1 2/5 into a top-heavy fraction. So 1 times 5, add 2, gives me 7 over 5. I'm going to check, can I cross cancel? No, I can't. So I'm going to get 7 over 15. Pause the video, have a go, see what you can do. So, turned to a top-heavy fraction. Can I cross cancel? This time I can. I'm going to get 2 times 11 over 9 times 3. Which gives me 22 over 27. I can't cancel any further. The two questions to consider. Why do we turn them into top-heavy fractions? And do we have to? And how does cancelling before we multiply help us? So, pause, talk to your partner, share your answers. Right, so we turn them into a top-heavy fraction, just like with the add and subtraction, so we don't forget a part. You don't have to, but if you don't, you have to then do it like a long multiplication. So you'd have to do 2/5 times a whole, 2/5 times a third, and then add your answer together. So you're putting a whole load of extra steps in that you don't need. It's much faster just to turn it into a top-heavy fraction. How does cancelling before we multiply help us? So how does cross-cancelling help us? Well, it means we're dealing with smaller numbers. So make sure your notes are complete, and when you've completed them, turn over and try the questions. Okay, here are the solutions to the exercise. Make sure you check your answers, mark down any corrections, check you know where you went wrong if you went wrong, and if you need any practice, you can always use the QR code for MathsWatch.